Hello, so Olivia here. Got an unboxing today. But if you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos about running and all things running, race reviews, kit, and a little bit of gym CrossFit training as well. So, unboxing today. Nice little parcel. Arrived Saturday, but it's been in my shed because, of course, with the current climate, leave it in there for a few days. And so yeah, unboxing. Kindly been gifted a pair of Oofos recovery slides from Oofos. I'm really lucky to be gifted a pair to try. Really looking forward to trying them. I think I tried them on at the London Marathon Expo. I can't believe that's a year ago on Sunday. So yeah, I'm really excited to try a pair of Oofos recovery slides. Let's have a look. Got the knife out. Beautiful day here in Devon, but a bit windy, but it's still a stunning day. So yeah, let's have a look. I opted for the slides instead of the flip-flops, just for a change. So yeah, let's have a look. And here they are. Oofos. I had to YouTube that to make sure I got the right name. But Oofos recovery slides in a gorgeous silver colour. That is so nice. Opted for size 6. And here they go. So really, really nice and silver colour. Good grip on the bottom. Reasonably cushioned there. You can kind of see it giving away. Reasonably cushioned there, but really nice. And got a little bit of arch support just in there as well, so that's really cool. So yeah, Oofos recovery slides. Let's put them on and have a look. So I intend to wear these post racing, especially now in the summer. It'd be great just to put these in the bag and stick them on and let my hot sweaty feet air. So yeah, it'd be really good post-race just to kind of wear around after the race and on the way home. So let's try them on and have a look. Ooh, they feel so comfy and soft. I've got kind of wide feet, but they do fit me well. Really comfy, good arch support, good support across the top of the toes, which I like. So yeah. Let's turn you around and have a look. Here they are, the Oofos recovery size. Look at that, really nice, really comfy, feel really nice to walk around in. Soft and squidgy, but also quite supportive on the arch. Oh, they feel so nice. So, be looking forward to try them after a run. Currently injured, so might have to wait a week or two and then I can try a short run. But I'll go for a walk and try them on afterwards, or put my feet in some wellies and get them really nice and hot and warm. So yeah, Oofos, really nice silver colour. So yeah, we'll let you know what I think, and of course a full blog post will be available for Run Deep.